Hello dear students. In the first video we have discussed some characters or features of life. तो उसमें हमने मेटाबॉलिज्म बताया था। मेटाबॉलिज्म तो ये बहुत ही अहम जो है एक टॉपिक है या सब टॉपिक है, जिसमें all the chemical reactions which are taking place inside our or inside living organisms are known as metabolic reactions and the phenomenon is known as metabolism. It can be catabolism or anabolism. That means breaking of the complex. Catabolism means breaking of complex substances, and anabolism means making of complex substances from simpler ones. I will quote example. Here it is digestion. Digestion is the catabolic or catabolism or catabolic reaction. Photosynthesis is the anabolic photosynthesis. Protein synthesis, these are anabolic reactions, and these are very important to describe the life. And another the characteristic feature of life is ability to replicate. Replicate means to copy. Replicate means copying. If we talk about अगर हम यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म्स की बात करेंगे, तो उसमें सेल डिवीजन जो है, ये जो सेल डिवीजन इट इज द बेस ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन. और अगर हम इसको देखेंगे, एक्चुअली मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन है इनके लिए. सेल दैट मीन्स डिवाइड होती है सेल, तो नया लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म बन जाता है. तो यूनिसेल्युलर जो है, यूनिसेल्युलर ड्यू टू दिस सेल डिवीजन और ड्यू टू दिस रेप्लिकेशन they are mortal. That means they cannot all the living organisms, all the life on the earth, they are mortal. That means they become dead after some time. All the organisms are mortal. That means they become dead. All the organisms, they become dead. That means they become dead after some time. But these unicellular organisms, they are immortal. That means they do not become dead. They do not become dead, because, for example, if this is the amoeba divides into two amoeba, then this divides into two amoeba. The daughter generation comes out like this, and these are known as daughter generation, daughter cells. And with this capacity, these living organisms have the ability to occupy whole of the earth if there is sufficient supply of food, there is a these environmental conditions are proper. That is why they replicate, they grow very fastly, and they do not become dead. But the environmental conditions, or you can say unfavorable conditions, they leave these living organisms dead through different these methods. And this replication, not only in unicellular organisms but multicellular organisms also. Multicellular organisms also do replicate by different methods like budding, regeneration. Through regeneration, you know that planaria is a living organism. If you cut that planaria into many segments, and each segment will develop into the full individual, that is known as regeneration. Fragmentation, usually in algae, protonema of mosses, these all they do replicate with the different methods. And it was the second next method which characterizes the life on the earth. Next is self-organize. Self-organize means, you know already, that the macromolecules they get organized to form cells. Cells get to form tissue get to form organ system, and organism. And these organization, how they combine so that particular function is performed. This is a characteristic feature of living organism. Only the living organisms, they organize so that the particular function is performed greatly and very efficiently. And these cells, when they combine, they form tissues, and the division of labor occurs with these division of labor occurs with the self-organization of these cells, tissues, and organs, and the particular function is performed very efficiently. And another characteristic feature of life is the interaction. Life. These are the characteristics of life, or you can say living organ. Interaction means they are very the interaction, it is the dependence of living organisms on each other. Dependence of living organisms on each other, and to the environment. And this interaction will also help us living organism to live better life. इस दुनिया में ये जो इंटरेक्शन है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में, इसकी वजह से लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म अपनी ज़िंदगी को बेहतरीन तरीके से गुजार सकते हैं. तो ये कुछ कैरेक्टर्स थे जिसकी वजह से आप लाइफ को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. तो इन्हीं कैरेक्टर्स की वजह से हम जो है लाइफ के कैरेक्टर्स की वजह से हम लाइफ को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. वरना ये बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है लाइफ को एक्सप्लेन करना या डिफाइन करना. थैंक यू.